Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we're going to be going back on the Honda Element. But before we tackle that, today's a very special upload. This is our first upload where we surpassed 1,500 subscribers on YouTube, which is absolutely phenomenal, okay? And to make this even like a bigger wow moment for us, or a special moment, you know, just in general, Henry over at Mows and Blowers surpassed 5,000 subscribers on YouTube. We did it on the same day, okay? So if you guys are new to the channel, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, okay? And let's fill you in something real quick, okay? Henry at Mows and Blowers, a very good friend of mine, lives right around the block from me. And we've known each other for quite some time. Henry started his YouTube channel way before me, and he always encouraged me to do so. And I did it, and here we are now. I would have never thought in my wildest dreams that we would have got to this point. And the same thing with Henry too. Congratulations to him, congratulations to us, congratulations to you guys, right? Because without you guys, this would not be possible at all. So from the bottom of my heart and Mrs. Pattay's Performance heart, I just want to take a small thank you. We appreciate you guys. I think you guys know that already with all the stuff we have given away well before we got to this point, just because that's the type of people and that's what we want to do for you guys. All right, so back to business. Look familiar? Yeah. You guys are going to be seeing a lot of this lately, unfortunately. Car's due for New York State inspection. Got a few kinks to work out. So we'll do a couple uploads on that. One upload I did already, well, I didn't vlog it, okay, is the washer fluid pump right here, okay? If you guys want me to do an upload on it, show you guys how to properly diagnose it so you don't load up the parts cannon, and, you know, we'll go through it to repair. Let me know in the comments, you know, it is what it is. All right, guys, so anyway, when we first got the Element, one of the first things I want to do is upgrade the inside for me. And the whole purpose of the Element was to take the mileage and the wear and tear off Mandingo. Now Mandingo is a diesel, absolutely love it, okay? But we were also trying to bring the cost of acquisition of a piece of equipment down as well, and that means more money in our pocket. So lo and behold, here at the R with the Element, and you guys already know the trials and tribulations we've gotten with the Element as is. So anyway, the first thing I wanted to do is put a proper stereo in here. And before that, right, is either Pioneer, Clarion, JVC, really nice decks, right? I will never, ever, ever buy one of those decks ever again. I will never overpay for one of those decks ever again. They fooled me, right? When we decided we were gonna love Mrs. Pattay's Performance car for a little bit, I bought her a really nice Pioneer deck, Bluetooth. It's got some Pandora thing on there. I did a backup cam for her. I did the microphone in there for her. I'd rather not tell you how much I paid for that. And then I had to install it. Disgusting and sick. Lo and behold, I spent nowhere near, and I got a bigger screen, better clarity, and it's just a phenomenal deck. Here it is, right here, okay? So, the reason this video is, when I did this video, people were saying that the vents were blocked. And it appears from heads on, it's really, really not. But let me show you, before I take this head on, do I have any complaints? What I don't like and what I do like? Okay, absolutely still love this thing. What I don't like, I have an Apple, so I can't mirror this. I have to mirror it if I get a dongle, which that'll probably be my next upload on this deck, is when I finally get the dongle and wire it up. If you have an Android phone, you're ripping and roaring, you're good to go. Now, for a while, to get around not having mirror link, I was just using Bluetooth and Google Maps. Google Maps, I would download the map, which is fantastic, but you have to update it and re-download it every 30 days. And that is what is already programmed in here. There's no way around it. And after a while, that got frustrating and aggravating. So I just threw that to the wayside. But as soon as I get my dongle, whatever's on my iPhone will pop up here, and that's exactly what I want. Now, if your phone is considered like one of those like hotspots where you can have your phone put Wi-Fi to this, then you're ripping and roaring, you're good to go. So anyway, let me show you something. It appears that the vents are blocked, but in reality, they're not. This is how I have the deck set up. Now remember, this deck can move up and down, side to side, and this is the way I choose to have it. So let's get this side profile. Look, see that? I'm resting it right on the top. That is how many vents are being blocked. 2 and like a third. That is not going to make a difference, right? In the wintertime, this thing gets hot real quick. So I can only imagine in the summertime with the AC going, same thing, okay? Now the reason why I kept it at this height, because I could lower it, okay, is when I'm driving in the car with Mrs. PATTAY'S Performance, we have 2 different body temperatures. So I just like to rest my hand here on the shifter while I'm driving and adjust. Now watch, see that here? My fingers can still touch the top. That is not a requirement, right? You could drop this thing lower, and look, you still have access to your recirculation, your AC, and your defrost, okay? And you could still, look, twist, 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 right? Remember, that is why I wanted this deck. You can move this deck up and down, and you can angle it side to side and move it side to side as well. But this is the position I'm choosing to have it in. As things change, maybe, we'll see. But for right now, that's the way it's going to be. I do not regret this deck one moment. As you guys see, I'm still in the process of doing the install, right? I got my 2 USB ports right here. I did wire it up, so I still have factory auxiliary. But in reality, who the hell uses auxiliary anymore? I know a lot of music heads say when you do Bluetooth, you lose quality. I don't have any quality sound issues whatsoever at all. I do not regret this deck. When the time comes for me to do something with Mandingo, you damn well know there's going to be something like this in here as well. Another add-on I was thinking about doing is a Bluetooth OBD2 connector, okay? And then you could do your check engine lights and you can run diag on your car and see certain things. That'd be more of like a novelty, okay? Really nothing that I wanted to do. It's cheap, it's easy. I'm not a techie person, but I kind of like that tech thing, okay? And then I also have my reverse camera that I've had for a while, and I just haven't had the time to put it in, right? I've been busy flipping and fixing and keeping America running. Anyway, my sincerest apologies, okay, that I took so long to do this update video. If you guys see in the comment sections, I said I'm gonna do it, and I just kind of got lost track, and I kind of chose to make some money. But nonetheless, for those guys that are there and they hung in with me, I appreciate it. And for the new people that comment and says, hey man, what's going on? I appreciate you guys too. This is your upload. If there are any other questions about this deck, please ask me. Like I said, you guys are going to be seeing a couple of element videos coming down the pipeline, how I got the rims and tires to fit. This is stock height. Okay, I got to do the inner and outer tie rod ends on this. I got to do the AC compressor on this. I got to fix that check engine light. The washer pump, let me know if you guys want me to double back and do that. I already did my valve adjustment on this with my valve cover gasket. Okay, I'm not redoing that. Nope, sorry, you guys aren't getting that. Definitely do it if you haven't done it. I just did it the other day, and my exhaust was stupid tight, and my intake was stupid loose. I noticed a difference right away when that cold start. So, with that being said, guys, I really appreciate it. This video is a wrap, short and sweet. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.